Hi, Brian with Emigh's Outdoor Living of Sacramento, Emigh's Outdoor Living of El Dorado Hills, and we are here today to talk about the Recteq pellet grills. Relatively new line of grills for us, and this is the Backyard Beast, which is one of our better selling grills. This grill is super versatile grill, all stainless steel cook rates, has a cast iron pellet heat diffuser, so it goes right over the top of your pellet firebox and distributes the heat, won't warp, super heavy duty. Also stainless steel drip pan, which sits right in here, so your drippings drip off to one side of the grill. And then again, the stainless steel cooking rack. So again, super heavy duty grill. Also has the adjustable rack up top, so you can add more food to your grill, do hot dog buns, hamburger buns. This is all Wi-Fi controlled as well, so you can comes with meat probe, so you plug your probe in over here, goes into your food, will tell you the temperature not only on your readout on the grill itself, but on your phone as well. So this is the Backyard Beast. Again, great seller, built very well, heavy duty grill from Recteq. Come on down to Emigh's Outdoor Living in Sacramento and El Dorado Hills and check out the Backyard Beast from Recteq.